Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Cardano from Phantom Wallet to Exmo in 2025. If you're looking to move your ADA tokens smoothly and securely, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and that it's updated to the latest version for 2025 compatibility. Phantom is primarily known for Solana, but if you're managing Cardano assets through it or a bridged setup, we're good to go. Start by opening your Phantom Wallet and unlocking it with your password or biometric auth. Next, navigate to your wallet dashboard. Look for your Cardano ADA balance. Tap on it to access the send function. Now, head over to the Exmo Exchange website or app. Log in to your Exmo account and go to the deposit section. Select Cardano ADA from the list of cryptocurrencies. This will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy that address carefully, as it's case sensitive. Back in Phantom Wallet, paste the Exmo deposit address into the To field. Enter the amount of ADA you want to send, but don't forget to leave some for network fees. Phantom might show you an estimated fee, so review that. Hit the Send button and confirm the transaction with your wallet's security prompt. Once sent, keep an eye on the transaction status. You can use a blockchain explorer like Cardano Scan to track it. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion in 2025. Finally, log back into Exmo and check your account balance to ensure the funds have arrived. That's it. You've successfully transferred your Cardano to Exmo. Pro tip: always use hardware wallets for larger amounts and enable two-factor authentication everywhere. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next one.